When investors think about growth ETFs, most immediately gravitate toward funds like QQQ or VGT, chasing maximum exposure to the biggest technology companies. While those ETFs have delivered incredible returns, many investors unknowingly concentrate too much of their portfolio in a single sector, increasing volatility and making it harder to stay invested during market downturns. But what if I told you there was a growth ETF that still captured America's fastest-growing companies, while keeping you anchored to the investment strategy that has created more millionaires than anything else? The S&P 500. That's exactly what SPYG is designed to do. Today, we're breaking down how this unique ETF works and why it could be one of the smartest long-term growth investments available. Part 1. What is SPYG? SPYG is the SPDR Portfolio S&P 500 Growth ETF, a fund designed to track the S&P 500 Growth Index. Instead of blindly holding all 500 companies in the market, SPYG filters the index to extract only the businesses exhibiting the absolute strongest growth characteristics, systematically measuring sales growth, earnings velocity, and price momentum. The underlying architecture here is genius. You are securing a highly concentrated slice of America's most aggressive innovators, while keeping your capital fully anchored by the multi-trillion-dollar stability of the S&P 500. Part 2. Key characteristics. SPYG was launched way back in September 2000, and it has become an absolute favorite for institutional capital rotation. Smart money loves it because it packs massive growth with an unbelievably low management cost, carrying an ultra-low 0.04% expense ratio. This means that instead of giving your profits away to middlemen, more of your hard-earned money stays invested and compounding. The fund is managed by State Street, one of the absolute largest asset managers on Earth, and it currently manages $50 billion in assets under management. Because the fund is engineered strictly for aggressive capital appreciation, it pays out a minor quarterly dividend that currently yields around 0.49%, ensuring every available dollar goes directly toward fueling its next explosive leg of growth. Part 3. Top holdings. SPYG is heavily weighted toward the most dominant corporations running the modern global economy. Its top allocations feature absolute market leaders like Microsoft, Apple, NVIDIA, Amazon, and Meta. These 5 tech giants alone command a massive portion of the fund, acting as the primary performance drivers. But it doesn't just stop at tech. SPYG masterfully balances its portfolio with elite growth leaders across communication services, consumer discretionary, and healthcare. By holding SPYG, you bypass the slow-moving deadweight of the S&P 500 market and own a hyper-focused, concentrated group of the world's most profitable companies. Part 4. Performance. SPYG has delivered exceptional long-term performance. Over the past year alone, it gained an impressive 25%, and over the last decade, it has averaged roughly 18% annually. Thanks to the power of compounding, that translates into an incredible 423% cumulative return over 10 years. In other words, a $10,000 investment could have grown to approximately $52,340 simply by staying invested. During periods of economic growth, SPYG has the potential to outperform a traditional S&P 500 index by focusing on the market's fastest-growing companies. Part 5. Why invest in SPYG? Investors choose SPYG for 3 simple reasons. First, its ultra-low expense ratio keeps more of your money invested and compounding over time. Second, its growth-focused strategy filters out slower-growing companies and concentrates on the S&P 500's strongest growth businesses. And third, it combines high-growth potential with the stability of the S&P 500, giving investors exposure to some of America's most innovative companies without venturing into speculative territory. Part 6. Real-world example. If you consistently invest $100 every week into SPYG over the next 30 years, and it maintains that historical 18% average annual return from the last decade, your portfolio could explode to over $3.8 million. If this breakdown helped you better understand SPYG, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple ETF breakdowns.